Shades of Africa presents a wash and go using KeraVada. Here's what it's going to look like. Let's get started. So we're going to start off using the Hydrating Cleansing Co-Wash. It's very creamy and thick. As you can see, it really covers the hair very nicely. Now we're going to need 4 ponytail holders because what we're going to do is part our hair into sections, 4 sections to be exact, and use our wide tooth comb. Doesn't need to be perfect because all we're doing is just grabbing our hair into 4 sections because we're going to move into the next step, which is combing through it. As you can see, the comb goes through super easy. My hair is a bit thick, so I did have to comb through it a little bit. But don't worry, no combs were injured in the filming of this video. Once you've combed through all your sections, we're going to go ahead and rinse it all out and move on to step 2. And that will be using the Detangling Curl Defining Leave-In Conditioner. Now we're going to be parting our hair into 8 sections, or as many sections as you like, because we're going to be detangling. I really like the consistency of the KeraVada products. I like how thick they are. Perfect for my hair, which is also thick. Just look how that comb goes right through there. Perfect. It feels super soft already, and we're only on step 2. Now I've done all my sections, and I pulled them up into a little bun because we're going to break it down. And I just wanted to slow this down so you could really see, just after using the detangling product, which is also a leave-in conditioner, how well my hair is already curling. And now we're going into the gel to finish the look. It starts off white, but it turns clear, which is great. And what you want to do is go ahead and take the product, put a good amount in your hand, rub it together, and then you want to shake your hair as you're going through it. Look at all that definition. I'm really pleased with it, but now we're going to style it. And this is my final look. Super cute, easy, a true wash and go. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can find KeraVada products and other products just like it at shadesofafrica.com. Or if you're in the Long Beach area, stop by and visit Shades of Africa at 1001 East 4th Street, Long Beach, California, 90802.